most of our big storms, well, at least this is anecdotal. I didn't do any research on this.
You're making this up.
Yeah, okay,
I'm making it up.
basically.
Are preceded by some pretty nice weather. So in a lot of cases, we get beautiful weather, and all of a sudden it changes in a huge way. And I think that's what we're in for now.
Okay.
And by the way, the UFO
Calm
thing.
before the storm.
Yeah,
Is that right?
exactly. And the UFO thing,
Yeah,
population's the key there, isn't it?
Yeah. Shouldn't it be per capita?
Yeah.
Probably.
I mean, I don't care. Fine, there are 11,000. Of course, you got
More
millions
people.
of people.
Probably
Yeah.
UFOs everywhere. We don't even went out there to look at
We
them.
count chupacabras in that? I doubt it. All right, let's go ahead and show you what's going on. Let's get to it here. We've got winter storm watches all across the northern mountains, northeast, east central sections, down through Roswell and the northern Sacramento mountains as well. That's for on Wednesday and into Thursday. It's 48 degrees right now. It's mild, very, very nice. Winds out of the north at 7 miles an hour. Temperatures 30s and 40s to the north. Down to the south, we're still mild. 40s, 50s for the most part down here. And it was a very warm day. Got into the high 60s in many areas across the southeast. For now, we've got a little weather disturbance kicking across to our north, touching off a couple sprinkles. Not going to be a big deal. What we're watching much more closely is a storm system closing in. It is developing off the west coast. The timing for this is Wednesday through Thursday. What to expect? Mountain snows, especially along the east slopes, are a very good possibility here. Snow in the east as well with bad roads and metro snow showers if we can knock down those east winds. Bust potential on this, we're going to go pretty low. We're still at least a day out before this thing even approaches, so we'll work on this for tomorrow. But we're at 40% for now, and that's based on the fact that I think a wide area of the state is going to get significant snow. Metro area a little dicey at this point, but here's the overall storm setup. As the storm starts to approach, it's one of two factors that make this a really good setup. You got to have the low pressure system in many cases, and we're going to have it with this one. It'll hit the west slopes as it moves its way on in here, but really the real impact is when part number 2 rolls into the east side of the state. So it's a 1-2 punch. The low from the west, the cold air from the east, and the cold front. That's going to push that moisture up along the east slopes of the northern mountains, and that's why that area is going to get hit so hard. And then the key for the metro area, whenever we push a backdoor cold front in, you know the deal. We get the gusty east winds. Right now, model projections are for winds at 35 miles an hour Wednesday night into Thursday. That will create a snow hole. So what we've got to wait and see here is how strong is the wind and does it hollow out the snow hole over the metro area? And that is going to be a possibility as well. So here is what we're looking at as far as an overall setup goes and what we're thinking is going to happen here. We're going to see things pretty quiet through tomorrow, and then we'll start to see the increasing chances of getting snow. So throughout the day tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, still fairly mild temperature-wise. Then look what happens here. Early Wednesday morning, around 3 a.m., we start to set up a band of snow across the northern portion of the state here, especially up into the northeast and along the northern mountains here into the Santa Fe metro area. During the day on Wednesday, take a look here. We are looking at widespread snow. We'll change it over to snow into the metro area. Again, if we can keep the winds down, we'll get some snow here too. But look at these deep blues. We're talking about heavy snow here. East slopes of the northern mountains, places like Tucumcari, I-25 corridor, down into Chaves County as well. So it's going to be very, very interesting to watch. Most models are now projecting we're going to be in the 6+ inch range for snow across the east, and in the mountains, I think we could easily see a foot plus out of this. Now, not as much snow for you guys in southern Colorado, but you'll have a chance to get some on Wednesday into Thursday. Same deal in the northwest. You're looking at the possibility of rain-snow mixes into the day Wednesday, but most of the action farther east. Southwest for tomorrow, partly cloudy. We're going to see some showers here. They may wait till Thursday as the low drops down closer in your direction. Southeast, increasing clouds. And then look at the temperatures. They're going to fall way off. We're looking at temperatures in the 30s by Thursday. Northeast, we are looking at snow. Wednesday and Thursday, significant snow possible. Raton Ridge, all across the northeast. Northern mountains, every one of our mountain resorts should do very well out of this storm. They definitely need the snow, and I think they're going to get it in a big way. 52 in Edgewood, 53 to Harris, and 52 in Mountain Air. We are looking at a real possibility of good snow for the east mountains as well. Remember, when we talk about upslope, East Mountains always benefit. 58 downtown, 56 in the Heights, 54 in the foothills for tomorrow. But then we crank up some showers late Wednesday over to snow on Thursday. We've got to watch the wind. Yes, we could be snow hold, but if we bring that wind down a little bit, this could be really good even for the metro.
All right. Thank you, Mark.